Welcome to day number 83. My name is McLauchlan, and this is the case study where I've been promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret. This is the myleadgensecret Clickbank case study. And I've been doing this case study since the 1st of January. So let me just go over and show you my Clickbank account. This is my Clickbank account. I'll go and refresh the page, and we'll just see what's happened over the last 24 hours since we sent our last email. So let's go and click onto the 1st of January. I'm going to apply that. Looks like we haven't had a sale yet today, but I'm sure we'll probably get something coming in. So go on to reporting, have a look at the stats from there. Right, 1st of Jan to today's date, which is 25th of March. So just shy of 20,000 hops, 370 impressions, 36 new business sales. Conversion rate has gone down a little bit because we haven't had a sale as yet today, and 1,021.91 on the overall sales. We look at the rebills, that will give us new business and also the recurring income as well. So probably about 25% or thereabouts on recurring income, which is really good, because I didn't know how that recurring income would work. So we've got 5 days, and then we're going to change strategy. We're going to change products, and then we're going to do a whole new case study, not a case study, but the same case study, but a different product on Clickbank and different emails. Okay, so that'll be good as well. So generally what I do on the, let's have a quick look at the trends. If you look at the trend overall, this is from, what's this, the 4th to the 1st. Okay. If you're into trading, okay, you'll know that this is a nice uptrend. Okay, so overall, since we've started, okay, we've built up that momentum, we've built up sales, and we've got that nice upward curve of profit going on, which is kind of what you want. It kind of tells you overall that we're doing the right thing. Always room for improvement, as I always say, but we're on the right curve. If we go and have a look at the dashboard again, we can have a quick look at the other set of stats, and we can see this week currently 91.25. okay, not a brilliant week, which again tells me that it's probably about time to change things up, as we've been saying, and really improve the whole emails as we go. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the affiliate marketplace. If you don't know what myleadgensecret is, have a look at the card coming up here. This is the video for day 0. It tells you everything about myleadgensecret, how to get started, and the other thing you can do as well is go to the description below. Have a look at the description. This is yesterday's video. Click on there where it says click here to join myleadgensecret. Click on that, and it's going to take you over to my page. You can have a look at that. You can click on join now. You can go through the process, like I say, the same process every single day. But essentially this gets you started with the making money online. It's a real simple process. And this is the day 0 video mentioned that is in the card. So have a look at the card or have a look at the description and get started. That's really it. That's really why I'm doing these case studies. Okay, so what do we go on affiliate marketplace? Where are we now? Here we go. So we want e-business and e-marketing. We sort the results, rank high to low, and what we've been promoting is live chat jobs all the way through this case study. I'm going to click on promote, and I'm going to go and get my tracking links. So 1ml, and the date is 25/03. So create the hop link, and that's going to give us my encrypted link. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come over to a notepad and just paste that in. That's it. Right, so what you can do, as I always say, you can go to the affiliate page. There's all kinds of different marketing assets, but because myleadgensecret is email marketing software or an email marketing strategy, we want the email swipes. And I cycled through these on probably two occasions. Take the email as the foundation, but change them so it sounds like it's coming from you. All right, that's the biggest takeaway. I always say, and if you want to go from day 1 to day 50, or have a look at maybe 1 or 2 videos on there, I show you exactly what I do, and it's not difficult. It really isn't difficult. Okay, So just go and do that. Right, so we want the mailing system. We want to select all the leads. Okay, so I mentioned that we get 100 to 200 leads, depending on if we get the bonus leads every single day with My Lead Gen Secret. And you can let those build up until a point where you get 323,400 leads in your account. This is one account, I've got 5. Okay, and the servers will send 200,000. So I'm going to load in yesterday's email. That keeps all the formatting, and I always mention that I have the same formatting for every single email. Make sure everything is congruent, and what I do, I've got a load of emails that I sent previously, and this one's a real good one. Generally what I'll do is, if I'm going to send an email that I've already sent previously, I'll change the subject line, okay, just so it looks like I'm not just being lazy, even though I am being a little bit lazy. Okay, so $33 per hour with TikTok jobs, John, details inside. All right, and the body of this talks about what that is. I'll copy that. We'll come down to the body down here, and we'll do Control V. And what I'll do is I'll just format this email so the spacings are correct. Yeah, that was right. Okay, so I'm going to grab the link that I've just created. So I'm going to use that one. And what I usually do, I usually put the double chevron down here, but you know what? I'm going to change it up. So we're just going to have that hyperlinked. I'm going to paste that. I'm going to go from 1, call it 1 alpha because it's the first link, and I'm not going to bold it, and that's it. Okay, so I'll just have a quick look at the email. Emails, just make sure they're short and condensed and to the point. What I always like to do with the emails, if you can, is kind of get a 3131 paragraph format. Obviously I can't do this because it's a didn't really work out, but that's just the way it works out sometimes. Right, okay, let's go perfect timing. Let's go on preview it. Just read it through. So again, the subject line talks about TikTok jobs, and then the body then goes and answers the question. So you're opening a loop with the subject and you're closing it with the body, and then you're opening it again with click here to apply. Okay. So that's all. It's all been pre-done. This is something that I did previously, so I've checked it previously before. What I'll do, I'll just check the link, make sure the links work. So from there, what you're checking on the link is making sure it's hop equals McLauchlan, or hop equals your Clickbank nickname. Okay, you can click on that as well, but it's the same link. The first one is just 1 alpha, hop equals McLauchlan. There we go. There we go. That's it. We'll close that. Perfect timing. Send email. It's as easy as that. Well, it's easy when you formatted your email. The time it's going to take a bit of time to format your email, but it's time well spent. And then when you make a sale, and you will, okay, copy the emails that have created sales and put that in a document. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that in. Right, there we go. I'll log out of that. Number 2, mailing system, select all leads. I'm going to do is just change this link here for a 2. Wait, actually wants to do it. So 2A. So it'll tell me which account has created a sale. And it really is important to get those stats, to get the feedback on the stats, and so you know what emails have created sales. It's really important to do that. Otherwise, you're always going to be just shooting off in the dark, which is what you don't want. You want to be knowing what works, and this helps you to constantly refine the process. And that's all we do. That's all we do with online marketing. We just refine the process, and we just get to a point where we refine the process to such a degree that we're doing better than everybody else. Okay, and this is what I said yesterday in the video yesterday. If you want to go and see that video, in fact, what I did, it was really good in terms of what I was teaching at the end. So if you missed it, if you missed yesterday's email, go and have a look at yesterday's video. Have a look at that, and I was just basically saying what it takes to create success online. Okay, tenacity, never giving up, and just refining your process. That's it. Perfect timing. Click on send. There really isn't a secret to, any making money online, being successful online. There's no secret. People will tell you the secret because they want to flog you stuff. All right, but the only secret is just doing it for long enough without quitting. That's it. A mate of mine I went to school with, he did a race the other day, at the weekend, 35-mile run on a race. I was like, 35 miles? 35 miles? I was like, yeah. I was like, that's just incredible. And I could maybe run 5 miles, okay, maybe 10 miles if somebody had a stretcher at the end, okay. But here's him doing 35 miles in a race, and he just goes, yeah, that's good. Right, what, after work tomorrow? And it takes time to build that up, obviously, but it takes time to build up your online presence and what your effectiveness online. Just takes time. So the real skill is not in looking at results, because most people want results. They want instant results. They think they're going through a drive-through business, drive-through McDonald's. I want it straight away, instant. Just give me it. I don't even bother getting out of the car. Okay, and you got to completely change that mindset when you do an online business. You really have. Don't look at the results. Look at your results in terms of how effective are you becoming. Are you actually becoming an online business owner? Are you invested in your skills? Are you increasing your skills? Because that's where it all happens. It's all common sense. But unfortunately, it ain't so common these days. It hasn't been common for a long time. Right, number 5 is the last one. I've got 5 accounts all linked together, so I get the bonus leads and I also get the commissions from there. So it does make sense to get more accounts. So again, have a look at that day 0 video, and it'll tell you all about it, or the link below in the description. Right, okay, there we go. That is all 5 sent. That's another load of emails on the way. So if we go to the Clickbank, we'll go and refresh the page, see if anything's come in as yet. May not, because sometimes what you find is people have a day off on Sunday. It's now Monday. Okay, so maybe 2 sales will come in, tomorrow. Who knows? This is what on this occasion. Okay, on the 21st we had no sales, and then suddenly we had 2 sales on the 22nd. So maybe no sales today and 2 sales tomorrow. Who knows? Okay, what I do know is that at the end of the month we're going to be changing tack, and we're going to be promoting a different product within Clickbank, still doing the same case study. We're kind of reviewing what we've done, and the intention really was to say, okay, if we can make $1,000 in the first month, in the first quarter, let's see if we can make more in the next month, and subsequently every single quarter we're going to see if we can make more and constantly refine the process. So if you're with me on this journey, if you're watching what I've been doing, then thank you. I really appreciate all the likes and the comments and the subscribers. I do more than this on the channel, even though this is something that I've kind of got into a routine of doing. And one of the things I've got together, almost complete now, keep mentioning it, is the affiliate marketing course, which I'm going to be putting out there for free, which looks at low, mid and also high ticket affiliate marketing, all in one course, all available to use when it's finished, when it's complete, which should be, it should have been last week, but I've just been really tired with some health issues that I've been trying to get over. So I'll get over those, and we'll get it going live. But yeah, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give us a like as well. And if you've got any questions about this, if anything you're not sure about, drop me a comment. Drop me a comment below, and I always reply in the most constructive way as possible. Anyway, I will see you on the session tomorrow. Bye for now.